Welcome back to another episode of My Life. We're here at the shop today because we're actually doing some underglow on Zach's car. So I actually meant to pick it up. I'm in San Antonio. I meant to pick it up last night and let y'all know that I'm in San Antonio, but we're just going to start here. And I actually missed half the process already. We got this started. Should be done pretty soon.
I go by Pat Gonzo.
Alright, so what we did is we started by cleaning all the surfaces where we're gonna run it. And we got the back, and then we ran it all the way up here, got it nice and tucked wherever we're gonna tuck it. So now we're working on getting it up here and getting all these wires tucked. So shouldn't be too long until we're done. You got anything?
Shit, nah, it's looking good though. It's looking good.
So we're gonna get that done. And then we got a battery coming for the Bronco.
What's the Napa?
If Napa ever shows up. Oh, is that them?
Nah.
I don't think that's Napa. It's just some lady.
Just some lady.
Bro, you need your brakes done.
People always think we're open when we're over here.
God, that shit's loud as hell.
I don't know.
Why does she keep going and stopping?
I think she thinks we're open. But anyways, we're gonna pick back up on the job and then we'll see how this goes and I'll get back to y'all. Quick update. We got the lights installed.
And then I went to the...
Looking good all the way around.
Oh, what? Wait, where's the phone, man?
Are you satisfied with your lights?
Oh yeah, this is hard. Look good as
Hey, what do you think, Pat?
Hey, it's a clean look for a Mazda. You know what? Probably the best in the state.
Yeah?
In my eyes. Probably
Yeah?
the best in the state.
Herm?
Aggie approved.
Aggie approved? Wait, I missed it. Go again.
Aggie approved.
My boy knows.
Alright, so now we just gotta get some interior lights going. Where they at? Alright, next thing is these interior lights.
We got interior lights. We're just right now figuring it out. What's the best placement? There's a lot of slack of wire. And with these type cars, they got carpet type on the bottom. We really don't want to, put it on there because it really won't stick. So no use for it. So our next strategy is where is going to be the best placement for these. And I say it's the side because it's plastic, but we don't want it to be in the driver's eyesight when he's driving. So
Yeah, so right now the debate with these is where we're going to put them in the back seat mainly, because we could put them on the side, but we don't like the light when you can see like the strips. When you can see the strips, it doesn't look as good and clean. Like right here, right there it looks good, but once you get lower and you can see it kind of looks trash. Kind of like Pat's shoes.
Jesus 2.0, baby. Right here.
But
we'll get back with y'all
yeah.
when we have a better strategy. And you know what? Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. All right, we got it done.
It took us all day, but we kind of, milked it.
Took us all day.
We got nothing better to do.
We
Hey, we took our time.
We did.
So, look at this thing, bro. What year is this? 60,
I'd say 68.
67, 68, 69.
I don't even know if they made one in 69. I know they had 67.
I know they came out in 64 and a half. Got the underglow.
Show them the interior.
Got the interior, back seat and front seat.
Nothing.
Imagine, bro, charging people to air up their tires. Like, yeah, we put 5 pounds, so that's $1 per
But
pound.
we do get fat tips though. Oh, you're a nice little man.
True.
$10.
True. I've gotten up to like $20 just for filling tires. It's ticking.
You need an oil change, bro.
He needs one bad. You see how thick that is and dark? Dang, nice miss.
God damn.
Here, look at this.
This is blacker than my ass.
Just top it off.
Top it off and vámonos. Hey. I'm gonna put the rape van in here.
Right? It has dogs on the side.
Oh shit.
It's just gone.
Right? You already know, it's the new van, new work truck. I'm gonna whip this house.
It came out pretty good.
Yo, it came out good as fuck.
Can't even see the wires. Honestly, like that wire tucking, clean right here. Clean. Okay, I'm gonna work on this. Okay, quick recap.
Oh, hey.
Oh, they're kind of loud.
Oh yeah, vlog.
Okay, quick recap. We were at the shop, got all the underglow done, got all the lights done. Went to the store to get some stuff,
Yes, sir.
and now we're here at Nick's for the night. So I'll probably sign off and then pick it back up in the morning.
Yeah.
Mary's in the morning.
Mary's in the morning.
Any last words real quick, Pat?
Hey, so it's my boy Rudy's birthday. We're celebrating, and I just want to wish him a happy birthday. And we're gonna have a good time, be safe, and 2020 is a shitty year, and let's just make it more shittier. Amen. In a good way.
We're gonna make it better. Oh no. Oh no. Hey guys.
Oh, there's Holly.
Quick update on the video. So we spent the night at Nick's. We went and ate with our friends and came home. My dad was kind of waiting because he wanted to go for a ride in his cars. So right now we're out going for rides in his cars. And probably go grab some ice cream. I got Izzy riding shotgun with me and my mom riding shotgun with him. So I don't know, we're kind of just driving around, and wherever it takes us is where we end up. We'll see. But this road is so beautiful right now, especially this time of year. I just went to pull it down and it fell. I swear. This is why you don't buy Italian made things, because they just break. But on the bright side, you can put it wherever you want it now. So it's technically like just really well made and adjustable. So it's the next morning from those drives, and I actually realized I never really talked about what cars we were in. I'm gonna say these aren't mine. These are my dad's cars. I'm not gonna try and push them as mine. I'm not like that. So I'll go ahead and show you all the cars real quick. This one is a 488 Spider. And this one's a 458 Italia. So, and the reason I actually came back out to show y'all is because I'm taking this one right now to the dealership. It just had some electronic issues real quick, so I'm gonna go drop it off. My dad's meeting me there. As you can see, a lot of the lights are on, and we got all these failures. After this, I'm actually headed back to Corpus, so I don't think there's going to be anything too exciting to show y'all. I'm not sure if I'm going to record more, but if not, this is probably going to be the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If not, I'm sorry, but if so, make sure to like and subscribe. And hopefully I'll have some more content for y'all in the future, but we'll see. Have a good one.